On August 18th, the Supreme Court of India took suo motu cognizance of the rape and murder of a postgraduate trainee doctor at the Aaratrika Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata amid intensifying protests regarding the incident. This move followed the Calcutta High Court's August 13th order, which had transferred the investigation from the Kolkata police to the CBI amid significant outrage. In this case so far, a civic volunteer associated with the Kolkata police has been arrested. Hello and welcome to The Hindu. I'm Aaratrika Bhaumik, and in this video I will take you through some of the key directives of the Supreme Court that were issued in the case today. At the very outset of the proceedings today, Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud asserted that the court's decision to take suo motu cognizance was not only motivated by the severity of the murder that took place in the Kolkata hospital, but by broader systemic issues that plague the medical community as a whole across the country. He, however, expressed disappointment at the disclosure of the victims' names as well as photographs by the media, underscoring that these disclosures contravene existing legal prohibitions. The Chief Justice then pulled up the West Bengal government and the hospital administration over the delay in registering an FIR related to the incident. After the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning, the principal tried to pass this off as a suicide and parents were not allowed to see the body. The parents were not in the hospital when the incident took place. The onus was on the hospital to register a case, he remarked. The Chief Justice then questioned how former Principal Sandeep Kumar Ghosh, who was relieved of his post after the incident, was appointed as the principal of yet another college almost immediately. During the proceedings today, the court was apprised how mob violence broke out in the hospital premises in the early hours of August 15th and how the Kolkata police allegedly fled the scene after being outnumbered by the mob. Taking exception to these complaints, the top court noted in its order, the state government was expected to ensure the deployment of the state machinery to prevent a breach of law and order. It was all the more necessary to do so since investigation of the crime which took place in the precincts of the hospital was underway. We are unable to comprehend how the state was not prepared to deal with the incident of vandalization of the premises of the hospital. Accordingly, the bench ordered the deployment of CISF personnel to man the hospital premises. However, it underscored that no coercive action should be taken against peaceful protesters. Additionally, the Kolkata police has been ordered to file its status report on its investigation into the vandalism incident on the next date of hearing, which is slated to take place on August 22nd. The CBI has also been instructed to file its status report on that day. Notably, the top court today constituted a national task force to look into the modalities that need to be adhered to ensure the safety of medical professionals across the country. Underscoring the necessity of such a directive, it observed, as more and more women join the workforce in cutting-edge areas of knowledge and science, the nation has a vital stake in ensuring safe and dignified conditions of work. The constitutional value of equality demands nothing else and will not brook compromises on the health, well-being and safety of those who provide healthcare to others. The nation cannot await a rape or murder for real changes on the ground. The task force will consist of several senior doctors, medical association heads as well as government officials. The panel has been directed to look into measures to curb gender-based violence in workplaces and submit an interim report within 3 weeks and a final report within 2 months. The court has also instructed the health departments of all states and union territories to collect and collate data from government-run hospitals on various issues, including the availability of security personnel, rest areas, CCTV cameras and other such issues. This information is to be then submitted to the centre within a span of 1 month. With the next hearing scheduled for August 22nd, the court has appealed to all doctors to resume their duties as the ongoing strikes have disrupted health services nationwide. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe to The Hindu.